Hello, today is the second class of Python programming. So, today we will discuss about Python data type. So, in these lectures, we will try to explore everything, almost try to explore everything about Python. So, I will also learn, you will also learn. So, data type. What is data in a Python or computer? So, if I tell you Amit, so Amit is a name. So the type is name. What is its his age? 26. That is a type is number. So in that way, definitely for a computer, 26 should be a number and Amit should be a definitely a collection of data. So those are the data for a computer, which will be stored in a memory. So how many data types are there? Normal, definitely number should be a data type. Then letters is a data type, but it has different name in computer. Normally, we don't call number in computer science. We call it as a integer. You later see. Okay. So types of data we will see in Python today. So before that, I missed something about print function in previous class. We will cover that. And today we will not use the normal previous class. We used right click then PowerShell. Today we will use an online compile. So suppose you don't have Python installed. So to prevent that, what to do? You can also try in online without installing Python in your system. Normally, when I learned Python, I normally practiced in mobile. So I will show you a very good website, My Basic, the website which actually uh, made me to learn computer programming. The name is called Sololab. Okay, the website name is called Sololab. Sololab. Okay, if you go to that website, going to go here. um, So even here, this is my profile. You can check. But instead, suppose you don't have your any profile here, even also you can learn the code. This also works in mobile device. So I am now today I will practice here. So if you go to Python compiler, this kind of thing will come, and here you can practice. So previous class I have to mention here this. In print function, you can also use plus sign. How? Let's suppose you are writing print. Suppose I am writing here, my name is, okay. Then if you give that plus sign, Okay. If you give plus sign and my name is Amit, you run that from here and you have to give one um, space to make that happen. So my name is Amit is coming. Okay, isn't it? Or you can do also like that. My name is Amit. Instead of giving a space, you can do like that. Inverted comma and in inverted comma another space. Then the same outcome is coming. So now today we will move to this. I already shared this document, so you can see. So data type. Okay. So we will not cover every data type, but we will try to cover most of them. So first data type is numeric, numbers. So let's create a table and I will also share that table with you. So here I am using this. So data types in Python. So I think you all know this kind of thing. How to do. First is numeric. Numeric consists of some more, division, three divisions. One, two, three. First division is called as integer. Integer. Now we will see that what is integer. So suppose I am printing 12. 12 is printing, it's a number. Now, if I give type, what is the type of 12? 12 is a number or what? The type is integer. Int means integer. Okay. Now, suppose I am giving 12.2, it should be also integer, no? But in Python, in computer science, most of the programming language, the point thing, number, which is not a whole number, that is called as float. Now see that what is the type of real point float? It is coming. So integer is different, float is different. Okay. Now you can also do some complex number. Complex number I will not explain because it is a math thing. But I think many of you know the complex number, imaginary part or something. So suppose you are writing 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4j. Okay. And then you are running. So the class will be complex number. So in here integer is covered, float is covered, and a complex number is covered. Now you will also cover the variable concept. You will also cover the variable concept. Variable concept. So variable is like a bucket which stores the value, the data type. Okay. Suppose, suppose, um, suppose I am taking A is equal to 12 and I am printing A because A is storing the value 12. That's why the outcome should be 12, isn't it? So what is the type of A? Print the type of A. Print the type of the variable A. So that's what it will be. Tell me 12 it is. Definitely it will be integer, class integer. So numeric data type is covered. Now I am coming to Boolean. Boolean, many of you I think know. So another data type is Boolean. Okay. Go to here. Suppose A is true. You can change anything A, B, C, D. The name of the variable can be anything. Okay. So I have to write ABCD only. Print ABCD, the variable, and the type of ABCD of what? Type of ABCD should be Boolean. Okay. So there is a error I am getting. So I think I should add a inverted comma. Yes, this is a string. Okay. So this is a string like hello world, single inverted comma or double inverted comma. If you add, that will be called as string data type. Okay, double single, it doesn't matter. So there is a very amazing website called Geeks for Geeks, GFG. Okay. So here you can write data type in Python, data type in Python, GFG. I am telling you, today I am telling you, you don't need any course to learn programming. Don't waste your money. I will teach you Python. I will also guide you how to learn Python. But there are few things available in the online. So data type in Python GFG, if you type, you will get this thing. So here everything is explained. You don't even need to watch my video. So Boolean, I am unable to actually tell you, so that I am checking. I forgot actually. So for Boolean data type, what you have to write? Boolean, you know the value 1 and 0, true and false. That is called Boolean. So in here, if you see bool, oh, see that. I want to another thing in Python, case sensitivity. Case sensitivity. That means in Python, capital A and small a are not same. Okay. So if I go here and if I write small If I am starting true in small letter and if I running that, there is a error. But if I start with a capital letter and run it, it is taking as a Boolean integer, not Boolean data type, not integer. So true and false, true and false, they are called as Boolean data type. So see that first line, I am declaring a variable whose name is ABCD, whatever you can change, like A, B, C also. In ABC variable, I am storing the Boolean data type whose value is false. False and true, if you give, that is be treated as Boolean data. So yeah, in second line, I am printing the ABC. Second line output is false. Second line output is false. And here, what is the type of the variable ABC? The type of variable ABC is bool. That means Boolean. Okay. So Boolean data type. Done. Now I am going to another kind of data type which is called dictionary. Dictionary. Dictionary is not like library dictionary. Here it is a little bit different. So how to write dictionary? There are other data types also. Okay. So first cover the dictionary. We will take an example of dictionary. So here dictionary start with, you have to know, dictionary start with this kind of bracket. Okay, not this is first bracket. This is second bracket. It start with second bracket. And suppose omit. Okay, omit is string. So omit should be in inverted comma. If you miss the inverted comma, there will be error, syntax error. So omit, whose age is 27. Here is another guy that is Ram, whose age is 32. So are you getting the point? So this first value is called key. First portion of a dictionary is called key. And what is the value of the key? 27. Anything. Suppose I will later show you. Let's just print. Just run. So you see, I am printing the dictionary on it. The age is 27. Corresponding age is 27. Ram corresponding age is 32. And class is DICT. That means dictionary. I am making another dictionary which will store the capital. Okay, capital, not capital. Suppose what to tell, like suppose here, suppose dog. Dog has how many legs? Two, isn't it? So the corresponding value of dog is here. Hey, two legs, no, third leg. Okay, and we have two legs. So that means the next will be human, and the value will be 2. Now print it. Now print it. Third output, can you see first output is print ABC, print the dictionary ABC. Second is I am finding the type of ABC, and third one is I am printing the dictionary A. Let's run. And you see, so that dog. Now if I remove, I want to show if I remove the inverted comma from dog, there will be an error, isn't it? Because dog is a string. Dog is a collection of letters. That collection of letters should be inside a inverted comma. So whether you keep single, double, it will not matter at all. Okay, so that's it. That means dictionary contain two things. One thing is maybe number and its corresponding value. So the first part here, dog is the key and the value of the dog is 4. Value can be string also. Okay. And another dictionary. Let's do another dictionary. B equals to, I want to show that B equals to suppose 1. First menu today in my home is chicken. Second menu was beer. Now print B. Print the dictionary B. See that today I am just giving example. In next class, I will in detailed way, I will cover all the data type. Today is just how many types of data type is there. So let's print. See that 1 is chicken, 2 is beer. That means in a dictionary, the key may be number also, maybe string also. The value, corresponding value should be number also key also. So what is the application of like that? Why do you need like that? So suppose in Facebook, username and their corresponding password, isn't it? So I can change that. Instead of dog, I can write username 1, first username, and the password is XYZ. In case username 2, the corresponding password is ABC. Okay, see that it is coming. So how to fetch separate value? We'll later discuss, not today. So in that case, that is the application where pair is required. In that case, we should use dictionary. So dictionary is done. So now we will see another kind of data type, that is set. What is set? Is and the last data type is of sequence type. Sequence type. Now set. What is set? Set it consists of different data type inside that. I will show you set. First to do the set. How to find out that something is set? Set, I am telling you, always start with first bracket. So suppose B equals to, I am using this bracket, and inside that bracket, I am writing Amit. Then print a, then print the type of it. Print the type of it. From tomorrow, from next class, we will use the PowerShell. Sometimes I will show you how to use Notepad. That also I will show you. Every day different kind of things we will explore. Okay, now let's run. So see that in set you have to use the set on the set also. Yeah. Okay. So what is happening? Can you see? Very interesting. In this data type is a sequence type. Sequence type means the sequence is important. But in case of set, sequence is not important. It is just a set. It's just a collection of some data. So can you see here that I have written on it, but it is giving the output in different way, not A, M, I, T. It is starting with middle portion. Again, yeah, I am run again. I have run again, but here the sequence has changed. That means set is a data type where the sequence doesn't matter. And it definitely it's a collection of event string, number, everything. Okay, now I will show you this is see that very interesting. No, I have written a name the set here, the set is separating all the letters of the word, isn't it? Suppose if I write school, 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 let's run. Are you getting the point? And another thing, how many O is there? Two. But it has given only one O. That means repetition is not allowed in set. You give so many zero, but it will show only 1 0. That's the important thing about set. So what is the application of that? Application is that where you want to exclude the repeating thing. I will show you in sequence type. We are only covering now set type. In sequence type, where we want the repetition, in that case, sequence type will be used like list and tuple. But in set, we just want what is there. Okay. Now suppose how many different kinds of balls you have, red ball and blue ball, suppose. How many 5 red balls I don't want? Five. There are how many types? Red or blue? In that case, set is required, isn't it? I am also showing you another example of set. So suppose B. Okay. Again, so I told you in writing set is required. Set. SET is required. Okay. So and it start with this bracket. Now, if you want to, I told you, whatever you will write as a word, it will become separate. But if you want omit as a whole, what to do? So you have to use third bracket. You have to use third bracket. I will show you the example. Suppose this is school. Okay. This is school. But in third bracket, I am writing the school. I am writing the school. I am printing A also. I am printing B also. I am printing B also. Can you see? Can you see? If This third bracket is not used. It will separate the word. But if third bracket is used, it will not separate the letters of a word. Okay. So again, print the type of B. Print the type of B. It is again said. Run that. See that it is set only, but it is acting differently only. I call because I used the third bracket. Now I can include school, college, school, college, university, everything. So you run that school, college, university is coming separately, isn't it? So I can do one thing. I want to show you. Suppose here apart from third bracket, I am using school again. I am again writing school. Now run that. There will be some error. It is not allowed. Okay? It is not allowed. But what I want to show you, instead of string, you can also write some number. Number is also allowed. That means you can add other data types also. And even you can also write true as a Boolean data type. Now print, yeah, isn't it? It is coming 12 university. Oh my God. Can you see a very strange thing? I am just exploring with you. I haven't done this before. If you add a Boolean, the Boolean will not be printed here. Can you see a very strange thing? It is not printing the Boolean that you have to note down. Now, in sequence type, string comes. In sequence type is the last one. Oh, another one is there, none. Let's do none first. N-O-A. None is another kind of data type. So if I show you, let's remove, okay? So x is equal to none. Then print x. Artificial intelligence has come. I don't know why we are doing Python class, but let's explore. It's not an issue. So print x and what is the type? Let's see. Type of x. Class none type. Have you seen? What's the application? Suppose you are doing a game. In game, what is playing music? What is happening? Okay, not an easy. So, set up professional audio in audio settings. No, I don't need sound here. So see that. So suppose you are starting a game. The life of the player became like it is initial state. Your score is 0. So in that case, I think you can actually store the non-data type. Okay, we will explore in advance when we do, we'll see that. So you have to understand that non is another data type. So sequence type, we already covered the string, isn't it? The first one is string, string. Another one is list. List also contain the group of data types, maybe number, maybe some number is there, no? Maybe some string. But here sequence will matter. That's the difference between set and list. And there will be difference between list and tuple also. Three together we will explore. Okay. Let's see the list. So I am creating a list. So list, always start with third vector, which is 1, 2, 3. Print list. Yeah, you can change LIS. Don't think that in list you have to variable name should be LIST only. No, LI. You can change the variable name. So in LI variable, you are storing 1, 2, 3, and you are printing the whole LI as a total. That's the meaning of this code. So 1, 2, 3 is not. So 1, 2, 3, even you can write school also and run that. A list can also contain another list. Oh my God. A list can also contain another list and run. A list can also contain another set. Oh my God. Can you see? So set start with which bracket? Can list contain dictionary inside it? You have to try. Okay, it's for you. Oh, can dictionary contain a list inside it? Can a set contain list inside? Wait, there can be so many things. Okay, we will something you should try out, isn't it? So let's see. So you know that for set, you have to write that, and in this bracket only you have to write. Let's see this. We may get error. Yeah, error is coming. Okay. We can't, it seems. Again, down without set. Yeah, oh my God. This is taking. They are taking. Okay. Good, nice. So, no problem. Now, tuple. After list, there is a thing called tuple. Hey, just 1 minute, just 1 minute. I think I should delete these things so that you can watch properly. Yeah. Tuple. Tuple, the spelling is T-U-P-L. Tuple. Okay. So let's create a tuple and I will show you. So tuple. Okay. And PUP. Should I increase the what is that? Oh, I think this is okay, isn't it? I think you can see properly. Okay. Tuple. Tuple always start with also where is it is also these, but how we will see that what it is set or tuple. Set contains the set ACT And definitely the sequence will not matter. But here, sequence will matter. As an input, it will print as it is. Like Amit, not I first, then A at the end, not like that. And but what is the difference between list and the? You can actually change the elements of list. We will see how we can change, but you can't change the element of it. Okay, so there can be, you can see application, isn't it? Like suppose you suppose uh, yeah, in your Aadhaar card, you can't change your date of birth, isn't it? But your mobile number can be changed. Your address, new address can be changed. So they may, I don't know, they may store the date of birth of different people in a tuple so that nobody can change. Nobody can change the elements. Okay, like that. Okay. So the difference between tuple and list is in tuple you can't change anything. But in list you can change. Suppose in second element, I instead of two, I want to replace two with three. How? Next classes we will see. So tuple, let's create a tuple the same way. The same way, like one, comma two, comma three, and then print the type of tup, then one. So this is a tuple. Okay. So data type is almost over for today's class. From next class, we will start each data type individual. Okay. Like dictionary, how many things are there? In list, how many things are there? Like that. So I think I covered everything. There is nothing much left. We'll keep adding in this whole document. We will practice some good questions also. So that's it. Uh, Thank you.